Climate is the recipe and weather are the ingredients.
Climate is the recipe because it always stays the same over a long time. The climate and the recipe is the average of the ingredients. Weather is the ingredients because it can change, and there are many different types and combinations of weather that can create.
We should care about weather and climate because it's important and it's changing all around us. A fun way to think about it is weather as ingredients and recipe as ingredients represents the weather.
Cookies.
Hi, our names are Carla, Cassandra, Maddie, and Jalen. We are going to talk about our analogy of weather and climate about volleyball. The amount of serves we make in one game is the weather. Climate is the average.
Serves you make each game over your middle school years. This volleyball analogy explains that climate takes a longer time than weather. Weather changes a lot because the amount of serves per game, sometimes we make them all and sometimes we don't. The average serves you make in your middle school years is the climate because it's the average of the weather.
Words represent the weather, and the language represents the climate. Just like weather, the words we use are always changing. One day the weather could be rainy and cold, another day it could be sunny and hot. Similarly, we use words in many different combinations. Languages, which are an average of words you speak, determine how you speak. Just like climate, which is the average of weather, determines the weather. Similarly, language span over a longer length of time, just like climate, which takes 30 years to determine an average. In all aspects of the world, we can find examples of differences and similarities between weather and climate in our daily lives.
Michaela, we're sinking! And what? Red Kool-Aid! What? Red Kool-Aid! No! The polar ice caps are melting! Yeah! What did you tell me? I don't know! Climate change affects our daily life, and we need to stop it. I'm Felix, and I approve this message.
As you see, I like soccer. I play for Westview and this is Westview versus Longspeed. Weather is represented by the goals scored in Westview versus Longspeed game. The climate is the average goals scored against Longspeed each game over my whole middle school soccer career. Represent weather. It could be a header or a normal kick or a bicycle kick. The goals in the whole season represent climate because it's the average goals taken in the whole season.
As you can see, Westview is better than Longspeak because we win a lot and we make a lot of calls.